Guys, welcome back. Okay, so I know you guys haven't seen my face in a while, but like, what the heck, here I am. So, the reason I'm making video is just because, and I want to show you guys. Oh gosh, there's a bird staring at me. Anyways, I wanted to make a video. My package is coming in tomorrow. I'm not gonna tell you what's in the package yet, but you'll see tomorrow, I guess. And also, we just set up my pool yesterday, so I'll go ahead and show you that in a second. And I also have my vegetable garden again. Ow, that hurt. And by the way, it's 8 a.m. in the morning, so I'm cold. Anyways, here are my vegetables. They're right here, whatever. So I'll go ahead and show you my pool. Yeah, that's the pool. Yee. Okay. There's no water. There's like an inch of water in there right now. That much or something? I don't know. I didn't see. But here's my vegetable garden as well. Plants. So yeah. So I'll see you guys when I'm in class probably. I don't know.
It is time for school sad face. French time sad face.
So I have a paw pit. It's loud. I have this infinity cube. Pretty good. Just weird colors. It's some nice things. I also have this snake thingy-mabobby. This one's really good. It's a little sharp though. I also got these. I have 4 of these. That's good. That's a good one. It's got a green version of this. I also have more cheese. Ooh, this one's a panda. I like pandas. Chickens. They're very squishy. And also these things. I don't know what these are. Oops. So they're like very weird. Like stretchy like this. So I'm kind of confused what they are, but yeah. These are the golden ones. Yeah. But also this weird basketball. I don't know if I really like it. Oh, that's falling. I don't know if I really like it though, because it's supposed to be squishy, but it's really hard to squish.